etisen ahunidie ewu fi etisen ahunidie ewo waso fi etisen ni ma bedo for betnase ehu efi adai ya mangana nsusanso de ben ene ekwan ye beyi se fi o enti na me de clean Ghana ambassador show be fide bia she want TV so 6:30 kosi 7:30 me ma akwan ana me ma akoya e ma efo show so e send me message e tell me ma akoya wo mpatem ama me producer e de ma empefo mo di njuma e fide ni bia 6:30 to 7:30 share me show so me bin the Kwaku City Hills me do na from Ghana.
Assassini, airport in my Mojana, Nana, Shegu, near to home, my Edumene was so, say a bay, Piatra so, Nindian twas, go to Crania, Pessamin coming out, Eddie, Bremo, the Mamaya, Sassiko, what to say. Oh, my no, oh, my no. Yes, and I said, I'm a full private jet. Oh, my no. Yes, and I said,
yeah, we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we get a tiny. Bo, Bonia, hey, Bonnie Dana Fay, hey. Many me feel he get here, many won't pay. Malaba, he can't find the Bajamin Cabo. When you look on India, I promise on my own, I'm over Taya near Shona. Pulling off a Mina Sana, Libukuna, no Shona.
Yawaena, Jumanchi, Afiko, May, Koan Kabila, Capito, Zahida Kai, Banda Bumbanchi, Mudena Zwalumchi, Ubangijing Allah, Wayma. Figo, and now Muhammad Waisa. Someone Figo, I am Wayma. Someone Figo, someone Figo.
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace and Ghana getting married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpet sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise on an honor that we'll never fight again, cause Ghana is a happy place of joy we should defend.
Get him, what's up, motherland? I feel like Obidi and Afia. I'm in love with you now. Tamajiba Majihada Mabiatao was a young will a dodgy love for from Gakachale. How? From the big six, you still to fix things. Mawa Hamakafu was she can't reach.
If you don't want me, be nobody for fight, we don't need for a peace. Hey, income boom. Hey, is it with if you we to protect the nation, for the God that anyone I save it. Oh yeah.
About the PP, hey, about our summer day, Kurjan, about the PP, hey, I want to know. Now, so we do walk here. Mafuma Wabo Susa, walk as some chon once, say, many bay use on Kenya, Fiwara, which has if you won't pay for Amos who are when you did your cocoto. A lady be okay, palace, a lady more care, ballet, a lepid you call care, ballet. I'm out with you all in him. It's all about a peace. Here, Baloba.
Phones in the doom, stores here to doom.
Kwababa Oshi One TV do. Wasum for Kwaku City Hills. Do na from Ghana hene. Na inde nyibri misaso nyumba twetwonkom. Oye the Clean Ghana Ambassador show. Aya ehye mokum na ebo Ghana here. Otu bia na esenjidun oye show dodo.
menji do ne de Ghana hin na maka chi de sese usuban ne hin di ifi na wado oman Ghana aya me pede yesese usuban na Ghana oye krabehwe in the topic I ever discuss no topic many jiwan kasa because this Kumasi Tamale Nkran takrade sunyane bibia befa biala rubber aji Ghana wafa the sub equal yen crossing na first name equal crossing them rubber no put you in the ninya rubber waji ikru wafa and the topic and they ever discussing about plastic waste in how you can manage one yan ban another man ban nti when you maybe minyo menche Ebenezer Boachi do ye ne Enfield wo UCC Ebenezer akwa
yeah
na minyo asaso the man senior man ma contain one sister e mi bibia man ga se minyo Henry nkoso Boachi minyo akwa
yeah minyo
former USAC president the USAC adapt yeni ba yanko bebre na adapt yeni do ye den a ye baka kuse a kire University Students Association of Ghana nya de yenya yenkuse okay minyo ma akwa babu
yeah
ebi odi kam pere me start for do pere mu de is dey manage waste wo fie
oh okay minda say minia chia tifo na eba jumaje so na wo mi fie angasa de enze ye wo dustbins enwura ade e wo fie yede enwura gum de na se bibia na obefa yede ekogu enwura no nti ade no si ho baako na yenya yede bibia na ade atum yo ye fie
aponta
Ongase
mbese mi hu ekwa ya ofa so efie waste who see them manage wo fie
me da se menia jeri kan medical chia university students of Ghana ha nyina mema wo yakọ nye de na ye hwehwe nie de SBA ye stress you didn't see that in the history of university students na yema omo ho aka no yakọ yema mo shedden enya dia ebesi biem eba plastic waste na say in general waste ekwan a ye fa so use so ya na metai etag as the 3 R's
okay
you reduce, you reuse,
okay,
and you recycle.
Okay.
Nti say me but reduce na kwa be first one reduce ya ahodo bebre your various alternatives. Nti nema bebre anka be use plastics no indirectly no be use different alternatives. A bit say oko marketer instead of sell better rubber bag no better cotton bag. Instead of so be use plastic cap, bit me to ceramic cap any ade. So oba reuser and also no oko marketer instead of saying ka better new rubber bag do near magum one kasa how the rubber bag ebe ko be fast recycle no so de me ankasa de bia no omo anu no be share bia me the education we mom obi o Ghana ha be at least sachet water there wonom no matter where me nam ana me fie for nam wonom sachet water nko ade a I was all for the sachet water nicely now the show bag mo ba your nice bag the sachet water nko a ehim your volunteers or monna mojeje sachet water na one your only source of livelihood wo the mana okono koton nko ade a onyanensa anu aduane e ma ne kona no de to so mienu se wujai to forma na wujai to ba bia ekoko say environment no nyankopon bo asase no de hye no mienu nsa nti yanhweso yi a otwen aso na de etoso ne nsa o hwe wunya na nkasa ne indirectly wo de ahondie e ba o man no mu na nyankopon so unya ne nhia ti kwan ya yefa so e manage yam waste
oba se oba me de kakra kamenya wache de no se oba reuse no a free believe can be free cycling and upcycling.
Okay.
Free cycling no e chese ade no use bi enti na e bia me mpaboa me share size 41 enti me nyina na me na mpaboa ze e chime enti ade na me mfa ma obi a ono ebetimi aboa e bia na nsai na yemu bi o a se ode be ma obi na anything enti na ebegu ho saa enso obi hiamwa enipa hiamwa obetimi de aboa obi e yadoya awaye e nyame adwuma
alternatively you move with braina you pie kwa monten say econom and say doko say dey you first na wait and na waitress na ebusane say do you care for a straw so straw no researcher say every day you use over 50 million of them. Wow. You can imagine the danger it causes. It is easily avoidable. Obey me and no one without the straw. So condo so well used to straw now. You could go for an alternative. Your bamboo straw in your glass straw. I no so no. Move me I reuse it.
Okay.
Said me decided to say big giant plastic straw using your no sound raw without the plastic straw now. I don't quite be save the environment no. Cause one major way of managing waste.
And there is also this the upcycling I was talking about. I say idea we use him. They say fan ya de foforo use biom. Na entia me koto fun. E fan sa say. Enti me mfa nya cause we. Met me dia bibi foforo a ebe mma fun no aye bibi foforo ama me. Ye fan say bibi te say oro aba pai ofie. Ana say okoto e bia ceramic e bi asay. E mu bebre me ko ma mbi fie na oro aba. Uni say wa hye pot of flowers no. Ne rubber mu na wa hye no. Enti rubber bucket na asay no. Etuotu enti no wode watutuo no preko. Ene wa fele anwegu mu. Ene odua no flower no mu. Na kwa ogusu nsu time bia ade na efefefe. Me kwa me hwe san. Enti sa kema we mu nyina ye ade rubber no anto se ode bedua flower. Nanso onse watimi dia bibi foforo a eso abamfa so ama no. Enti se on koto ntwene mfa enye nwura mu ye mantemu ede yare wa hodo beba na ebe se ye nsa ase no ade na me mfa nye bibi foforo eso beba mfa so ama me a ewo fie
yo that's be say Afrina edwe free na to Oshiwan TV do na ele hweyeni the King Ghana Ambassador Show Friday be 7 to 8 at the bro. And that topic you discuss about plastic waste oil plastic how are you able to manage na no ho keka ho on na ndey nti epede ehu kwan are you able to avoid it the menu e be likas na o che bibi da obi ni bucket na de mami bi man kasa me fi eba disposable cups me de serve ma ho e bia wo ba me de serve one eba me grai wa disposable cups no we use to win on na e ko me kitchen one me support bia me de twitwu jensen me de bi ahyem seminar bi o ma ya lete seminar wo kun na de eti me disposable cups dey onya da metoche obi use nimpon me saso ye den me use bi ti say after that to King Ghana Ambassador Show dey hwe Henry ocho mabawodo me pede me hu dey plastic na gasan ni importance our society no because time na plastic one mini bebre ba menim dey first na yet to watch what they share ahaban there were so many things yema me wo kuguma okita basket no wo di gogum bande tomatoes na bottle one black poly moko na bottle one black poly. Is there any extra benefit to plastic in that effect ana
me da say Ghana suatra say udu China technology nyina ho na free box so me no ka so mata so use wooden sticks and edididi ahaban no na very healthy aduane ya hyekrampo ewo mu a etimi twetwe enu bi raduane no ma wodi ana ye kamanso say oh yan wo so yi into ya shifting into plastics no advantages in here one airful ne bo no wo for monti on cost of packaging no eba for mama one manufacturer no and two plastics are very easy to handle into edition mama na easy way out no dey ko na bibia fast way into take away pa no dey ko into me bo no form very easy to handle and na dey to so mienza air so plastics so dey ya na no nice package then so and aside all these advantages no disadvantages no be brave or no you sure say many dra so
that's be brave when you ebe many said there any additional way importance be a plastic player
aside the I'm say minia boache aka na ni man be na obi ehun say eno na ye ade a oh me pentem oh fashion rubber man no nursing no ade na me fa onka obe save time and obi was ne rubber no ye an watwe dia shem akani awache ni sa emu ya kan afi na odi be hye ahaban sani obesi afodu ahaban ko no ya no that thing enti o se unni that crafty ayi a obetimi abobo ahaban na ma emu na ye fa an ya na hwegu but say odi hye rubber mu a what you watch you rather more when I was saying, no, they do a brown jam, or you manage what they are. I prefer for Honsa or Chim Chim no, or the amount. And you know, Sanya winner and buy any J. Ne uses on him, and as a quiet pass of the year, you know. Then so a name, you know, the watch a kind I say, I'm the a Brian Chen, Nimua. And of course, Empire, Rabba, hold on, a dear, a ten, say a boy, and I can, you not you say a boy. Next year, quiet, a befaso. You can say, young managing ye. Ne kwan be na ye su raba no ye be no we ya no ato atwene chew obi a wonu musu ya na odi ato fam obi nyina Kumasi Kejetia Accra and Cran Circle I can say takra de ne mmia impo baby a public places a nipa wo wank ye nim say minya ya example me no musu a me propo mu yinam dia se mabobo no kama oh David the other time say ye ba ye talking about recycling
okay
me kan ho asem I say no obi a nkyere me intuitively na me bia me an mabobo no kama e be se me botom a enti sa ne ma wem na ye mu bebre ye hu kwan ye be fa so no say na afi de e di enya ten say e hebo ayen nti say disadvantages no but we talk about it
before me pese ubeka disadvantages
okay
but me call me Henry is there any alternative your alternative be to plastic ana
here will be brave measures here every fie plastics are using any alternatives here sorry no pa anya bia no you brush it mostly toothbrushes no plastics
okay
technology the bamboo toothbrushes aba
okay
I bit me a shift akọ ehono and only one and two ye toothbrushes being so on my stick near one but no you will be baby instead of say we use about two full toothbrush in na to for every 3 months no one no bit me use no for about 2 years now I'm no kwana was from time and with toothbrush yeah, shaving stick and the most common shaving stick at market here those made of plastics but you need to do but yeah but yeah papa no yeah metal
yes
who screw not to blade now they are toso who you so we are no try blade now touching not to blade for Eddie Ashim and higher plastics who use we are not to nina actually and also more after yamra bottled water you was coming na near free water bottle so now and
odi help you what we share Henry and the alcohol jaga the old school water bottle we show nsu eguma am so just for crab so use water bottle
come to me nti no an so wabu nsu egum ko na san wo san the bottle ya bafie ade eche a wasan abu egum indirectly plastics anka obe dispose from time nyina no obomodin a resolve yemfa aduane ayedi
okay
e ka me nkwa nke nsan kọ yechi ne nkọfa haban no na haban ne yefa beta haban no wo use wie na wo dispose krampa enrich soil no unlike the plastics no ebesias no and packaging no so ends of late many age 1 or 2 people the omo ye ho said they are shifting gradually to paper bags instead of the plastic bags
sure
instead of saying nyama be good plastics mo no they be paper and na ye come market enye on share one wa woton nyama no say we could save you a lot of packaging cost nipa ne ba na ordinary de ba e maybe atwa me representing university students for summit bi ase e wo Tanzania na there is a Lam airport one no me kototo nyama o shopping mall ho me wie no na me de man no ogis kana me na on packaging ma me no snow I just me koto cotton bag yes I me ba na was me me de cotton bag ba nti me nto de I say me mo akọ because country why ban plastic waste nti na there were so many alternatives say ye ka say ye dwen ya nema bebre na ho no ma alternatives no
okay yo but that's bebre am say wa bobo nyema bi bebre so me nim kra say sisi your bamboo toothbrush na there am say paper bag ne de yenya enim saf na wo de we feed na to the Clean Ghana Ambassador show o she want TV so na ye hwe the way e be manage ye plastic waste ye mbani ana me mbani wo fi am pese mi ye mbani sa plastic so rubber poly bag black na de no aban entwem enfi wo kra na say wo kwan bi obetumi ache wadwan aba betumi ache normally wo screen no so obetumi afre ana wa send message so minya membra wo so ebi e ba me say disadvantage of plastics e bi ne dey.
Okay, me that say. Em say now o kasa about banning plastic waste na. O hwe senya ACD enya fa ai boache kana plastic ni AD enya fa enti emiamia hodo bebre amama hodo bebre wa Africa ni Asia ni Europe abanu plastics and then also ebi mo so the taxes akese atoso say mo pese mo use plastic dia ene e obetua taxes say and the limit amanfo amanfo ma unko use be fa the other alternative esan say one edi enya edi no ebi ne say yensa say ahodo esay
okay
ye hwen raba hodo a insu raba obi no ya na ode ato otwa obi to ya ko yenkura ase say no omo use raba ahodo edi eto nuane ko afumu ensa say no raba sin say edidi akoduru ye forest obi be wisa say na aha raba ye den ba ha na me ni menua ba ko baby ye ko I can't say enzu bi ho na enzu ne ye be fa forest mu na ko na ye hu ye oduru abi o say na bra yi ye de politics bi da no na ho na de bato a onte ase ye ni pa na ye de ko raba sa hodo no enze enwiwe mu so che say ansa na raba be say no edi mfia hodo bebre edi mu che say even 500 years and above.
Wow.
Enti enkodi emfia 500 ahenim anza na ta mwa na ti ase enti ensa si aye bo ho ban de ama ye ntiri ma be yusu ye nanano ye betu ye yanzu ye yusu no ye se no na omo mbeba no so mbe yusu din enti ensa ase se ye hwe rabes ahodo nso a unze aganze esanse mu anti politics ni we ni enframa fa ne de enframa de ni nam nuaso sa obi wo kra ebia wa boa no bebi na esanse enframa na fa mu anti no ode ina enframa na ede ne nam ede ne nam a egugu ebi kogu bo na koka dua so ebi nso ha na kohye ebi ekogu ensuom ye nsuo ahodo na ye hwe na nsenya flood esi o Accra omuche mu a jese ensu akwan nyina
plastic ni agini nyina I was personally there.
Yes. Sadi ma we mu na
Minister of Sanitation.
Okay. Enti no omuche ema yemu se eye ensu akwan ya eden yesisi no enti eni drainage bia ensu ento a se ne ya ne betena ya se ensu akwan nyina ena afa enso akwan a ye ensu ahodo nso ese no se emmoa ensu moa na ewo yensu mu enhwemu jese ekomu a ye wo thousands ahodo bi a anaze poisons enura enema ekum nipedua no ewo rabes ahodo mu ekogu yensu mu a emmoa na ewo nsu mu fishes ahodo ye pese yenya bi we no enima omo living enkoye entine one ese ya nkasa ya life because enema woman poisonous to our health.
Okay.
Yeah, ya pomodin ankasa emwayen. Enti ubedi do politics wo beto awaje ubezo di guru abem fast te se boache kan. Na so wa pomodin no it has a stake. Enti enya kakra ho mu a je wo anya biria ne kunu ya sa anya ma wo mi ka ho bi. Enti enema enye de
bem kan ehwehwemu kra a mo ye fa cancer ankasa ho no che most causes of cancer no ade share the good plastics mu nti mostly omo ka say omo advice say microwave kram po de nka be me fa plastic
we
share microwave mu
okay
nti ade share nkasa ko plastic mu a what I did ade share plastic mu a wan kasa what mean cancer ya omo be brebe nso a plastics ekum omo
okay
rubber bags no me fa aduane ewo mu a aboa na so so free rubber no ansa na wakoto okunu dodo na so mistake plastics no to be food obeso so ena plastics na ankasa nso ye de petroleum chemical bi nso ena attach no ze mostly ya na do ni beka say non renewable ya de abetimi asan ayedi anya bim asa particular raw material nke betimi de rura the production of other viable things about bois yenyina anti plastics de edi enya pa
wow also happening the way free natural or she want TV do not leave the Clean Ghana Ambassador Show Friday 7 to 8 p.m. Here the bro topic I discussing plastic management or plastic waste na yɛpɛde yɛhu the way yɛbɛ manage yɛ waste plastic and yɛpɛde yɛhu kwan a yɛbɛfa do na yɛ reduce them going na yɛkyɛ dɛ first meaning bebree ba first na to watch out audition robem menu Henry kyɛ dɛ sisa mpo ni we aba yɛwɔ paper bag na de kyɛ dɛ sisa yɛbotum ya yɛnyɛ bi yɛbotum yi plastic na fi wɔ na yɛde other paper na the bamboo na yɛmɛ bi de ya because plastic ibi mo di 500 years ansana wa say ibi mo fo am say what is 100 years people that them plastic na be say hwɛ edema them plastic no botum di me ka dey wo GSS na di odo awode na da uko ogu bottle o bottle abo na nde we me kra me bo bi energy drink bi agu plastic bottle drinks ni nya ogu plastic bottles am dolly ya haji awo wo fie number ni 0543 291074 0543291074 send message another from na twetwe komo ye pede hu de ye ban the plastic another ye wo kwan bi a ye botu ye reducing me masa so about am na wo kasa ne che de tutu pan akọ inkro na wa ban the plastic abadi na wodi digwa apart from them paper bag na den abadi bium na onu so mi ya ebe mabodo ye ban the plastic na financial na cost one now what you the make more than akwa bi ya hon ana ya hon ti onu so mabodo ye pede ye ku dem cost na ye sa so mi wi a me pede mu hu cost factor producing plastic and producing a paper way for when there you shall tune hit no cheap market.
That's it. Me call Kenya,
okay,
Uganda,
okay,
Ethiopia, Rwanda. These countries na yabani most of the East African countries yabani plastics. South Africa, Botswana, nomini adi nyina. Na me mo de Ghana hana de yes so fiti preko pepo sen sebi emoja na eba enti ka ebedi mre kakra nti de me suggest say ka yin take steps to ban some plastics
okay
ebi wo honoma say bottled water ne bottled drinks no can revert back to the cans and the glass bottles
okay
would normal the bottle na amanira ukoto na usika etensi this agency sanato ukonom wi a wo de ba wa be jonsesa ye kwa be wo horo bottles no na yesan refill egum ye bottled water no so ye reduce no ye fa ye taxi bottled drinks and bottled products no to the extent say auto bottled water ba 5 cedis a one sign ha hu nkoto bi nti ube kipi opia odibi egum ube kipu o food flask and asasa bottle bi a wo ko ba bi a wonsuo ebegum ne adade wo adwuma mu a ye betimi ya treat ne wo ayi ye nyine die but ye be to cooler enyina enyina ye be mefe na punu to wo officer wo di ensuo egu enyina mu wo ba modern treat na kama wo ceramic cap esi so wo di asa one of
the caps ni nya yo first no go mama hey
alternatives yeah shani yen share ho but say kasi ye hwe wa alternatives no be prepare no be na let me abo ade reduce nti ye best start every one angle near the core and kakra sa gradually ye bedru to one say sami omo ye rubber plantation be na no one say gradually omo so ebe hu say demand na ekofom to be shift into ahaban a na ye de ton aduan be start aduadua eno na ebe boa
okay so that's it baby me ya bi
yeah
now who the cost factor
yeah na hwe mu kakra me ye say producing rubbers no oba ye local ya ye na use na say air for mine but production ankasa no omo eye na akase no say ne boarding
okay
anodin sending ye free rubber production akọ I can say ada ayinu a aye paper ne cotton bags no use na say can no be boy ye because rubber use no aside the fact that production din ne boarding ye nsa say SN no enso ye costly economically because ye nsa say SN no enuane ahodo ayedua no they say asase no nya nutrients beam na atinya yield the best of crops that we grow enti ubedua menkan wa bra ku ani be bra onim se be menkan onko tuna de etuetu ase ni enuane nuro na wansa ase no ni nyina ese na yen rabes ahodo a ye de sen yen sa ase no na eno nso eka ho bi enti se oka senia course na city a nye about say wokoto no nko an emu wo hwe enema hodo bebre a ese yen sa ase ekum ye mwo ahodo a ni nyina course a run on as but then now say bisan say and see convert ko ayi no a em say ebeboa ye bebre a chen rubber now so say o Minister for Environment Science and Innovation, Professor Frimpong Manson, Frimpong Boating. Now yes, the Environment Day no can about say the people are calling for a ban on rubber, plastic. Sure. Then so no ochrim te say watchidi kan and say Ghana in prem party e be dey man esan say okay illegal mining activities because wa yensu no say no I say yensu ahodo bebre nti enipa ahodo bebre no say they come to depend on sachet water enum and they say okay say ban the use of plastic that emwa o man and the nipa bebre as say omu ye use sachet waters na nyina so ye rubber plastic ne ye no emwa yen again say because yensu no say no omu a ye to no demand no so ye high into omu ton no so no omu nya emfaso and a source of employment ema for so a omu so omu ton enyesika and you know say ban the use of plastic say na in fact it will call for something anokwasem nanso emze ye di adwen etoto ho a ebe boaye na
sachet water are very dominant in the country now, but majorly say ban plastics and answer bibi etisa anya dey ye be close your businesses now. Most prominent ones near Cool, Voltec and this time around they should go the extra mile. Among MP official staff members say UCC among PB 20 vantage areas na dispenser is so na caps na yedibuno enye of paper one nti okwa ubetumi kwa do cap una ma small cap bi sha bag mu to draw no ma you pay no budi oba no na okọ tinipa no draw no ma otua no wanom otua no akọ se circular vantage areas restaurant bi anya bi banks bi anya bi institutions ni nyina anya bi ento na ma owura honom na otua usika wo budi oba no na okọ anim dan so bi be so ade na ma wiem awie nsuo no so nyina no e polutu edema menu tila na Ghana de cancer de nka eben panic chese was a minimum cancer sanema no na efa ebeba
yes already be almost Accra company be on say ne park or something omo etwa tires ye de to enchancy ye de board dance no nze ye say what tires be a omo de board dance so na home tires no pavement blocks no be
sure
odun o chese on so ma presentation bi o chese rubber yi enu na o use the yes omo use the yes adjuman and yes quite a number of people are going into that.
Okay,
they say no omo use rubber and the ono no gaze why don't we turn it into what in that abra ye dwen say rubber na enye no ye ma se edoso a ye ma omo ayi ni boa na boa che kan baby say ye de ensuo ayi no dispenser na sisi some vantage points are then we should also you get zoom line for omo ade no bi ye fancy sim ya
and also
yes and the rubber who do be a you know na mom ye hwe se sa ne man ye adwuma de boa che kan is very essential nanso hwan obehwe enso Ghana ye how ba kwa ye won ye be hemra ye kama na dena is a day adwuma implementation becomes problem and the one point na or ensure say those laws are being enforced.
Okay,
and you say the year adwuma em say we look at the pros and cons and the be outweigh the other but and of course I'm say enye say o the year adwuma nko antina o hwe say ye include no megiri say ye ban ni say here other alternatives will come and you know be a shifting into a kwan be fast so be boa the whole country as a whole. Okay, but not some small portion
matter mesa so about so say after na ohwe away or she want TV the Clean Ghana Ambassador show na ohwe Friday bia 7 to 8 p.m. ya the bro many messages be me person me ready who person send you message na 0543 29 1074 0543291074 ubetumi afro sa no man so na ya twetwe komo me pese me read message ni bi message wey efi Evelyn from Cape Coast or say nice show keep it up every year that say we say Delphina or say obande plastic na sa edwuma no o mo ye plastic no so edwuma be no be ye unemployment be kosoro Delphina mate we also from Doggy hello good evening Pacho Udini bebe ofrefi yo meet you
my contribution that can concerning personalities, you know, the person as citizens, you know, this is something like that and something like that.
Okay.
Now, what's up? Now, to hold your photo. The person you see the photo, and I look at now, what photo I don't know what I'm doing. Now, I talk with the plastic. Now, the other. And maybe I will be careful. And I body means you.
Okay.
Or if you want for far, you know,
okay.
Now, it's about time for yes, citizens, you know, the government to know what you will over to make over than the Franua. Then the parliament after this process, you know, and farmer, the government to know to others.
Yo, it has to be brave. Yo, Miss Wood has to be brave. I'm say metro message, so we Abdul Martin or say do display the contact on the screen to hear the host to repeat it. Yo, Abdul Martin, no, I'm say no man no screen so to bit me send WhatsApp message to say the yeah bibia and I'll bit me afre na ya twetwen komo. We are from Abuaje. It's a nice one, bro. Keep it up, yo. Abuaje, that's it. Sasu call. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. Please, I'm calling Singer Ambassador Show.
Yes, please.
Okay, so as you hold on.
Now, you I don't know the contribution that you want to make. Is there any suggestion or contribution that you want to make?
I want to contribute on the show.
All right. So you're on air. You could go on.
Okay. Please. I'm someone from Waste Segregation System.
Okay.
Based in Mamprovi.
All right.
And I think it's a very wonderful program we are doing this evening.
We listen to you, bro.
Okay. Banning plastic is very good, but there are different ways of going about it.
Okay.
There are some that are not recyclable that should be banned outright.
Okay. Can you name
them? And then if someone insists on using the plastics, I think you just put a price tag.
Okay.
The more packaging you use, the more you pay for it. That is one step.
Okay.
The idea of using dispensers is good, but they will still use bottles, so it's about the same thing. And I think that if we use materials that are more friendly to the environment, ceramic, clay, paper is better.
Okay.
So that's my contribution. Thank you.
Yo, that's me. I'm say you want to patch say plastic no you will be o ma you so won't use you. Sending ya balance sa plastic nke ban na nke no any there onye ya adwen na ebi o so de onye anya adwen ebi o ma o hu say nke ende yen koso use ba o sa so che say first no say na use ye clay ede ye sa caps na ade no ana bamboo ede ye nyama na sa paper we no se betumi a shift akọ so no so babo
na ye nkokra a ne de no nkoko ade ba kwa na very common no be ton koko
no obusu ba che say adusua a che ne say koko e bi a sepsebe me no heavy wood wa no abo krana no meso me ba na meso me baje a meso krana no na meso me di ma no abo
me da say even metallic spoons say uko ba bi bebre na omo
no ko restaurant a
menim da fi bi oton ne gari na adua wo osu heye yo be ko nsu sisu a ehuru na spoons no egugun but distilling the camera what time ya spoon na shishishina now did ya kura no so nke dey use the same approach wo di we ya na dia ko no so hiem na eyi na we use
sure
o ko to so akofi a fa bowl efifie chance bi ana ceramic bowl bi na de akoto na de aba ofie no obedi no kama ni nyina beboa yemo na yenya oman yi
nti see am question person me bisa wanga say ene na me bisa ahwefo ya na etie form suti plastic yem band no ana me yem band no
metase say de medi kan ya no
me mo hold on mesa so ba hello good evening Pacho Udini be free.
Pacho friend Martin.
Okay, Martin. Okay.
Pacho medicine and ma host. And then
that's it, baby. Amen. We shall also.
Did it kind of plastic waste now? You're not science a crown. In fact, rubber is made from polymer.
Okay.
And it's a combination of about 100 atoms.
Wow.
That passes through a very hot process as a rubber. Now, if rubber is exposed to heater, it's one way or the other melt to react with any other material near it. In air, water, food, name them. And then you pass it that banner rubber. So that what you can carry. You have cancer causing agents. Majority are from plastic products.
Okay.
Here may research be about gutters choked in Accra. I'm finding outside 77.85% are my gutters choked rubbers. And to me, I think I am banning rubber. I'm some petition this security here. I mean, 9 those here. The secret about plastic is manufacturers no any more crap. Some of them are in government. Okay. Whether name the big podcast parties here. And it is very difficult to get government endorsement to ban rubber. Unless we the youth, you need to China area, you're so general. Na kutia and yes sir I better maybe no your hospital there ma that's how we have
okay
and to say that some scientists and omunte that's how rubber any of the idea so and ban rubber everybody na all some African countries they ban rubbers. Now look at how their places their cities are clean. It has no effect. It reduces cost and a whole lot. So, and even though a big fight, but young shake come with them.
Okay.
Yo.
Martin, yeah, that's me. Brian said, okay, no. What teach you? What the aqua science muka research? AMA. Omanka say, yeah, but as I say, and pay for now, the other such a soa. Omoka sa Roberts never. Nti say betwem kra no ebeyedi. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Pacho Udini be free.
Pacho Udini the Samekata Kumasi.
Oh, Mese Kumasi etio.
Yes, sir. The person different that media may work referring to social water.
Okay.
The bit we have why so with their problems and the state government in the poor. Now, your friend said that's the issue in the area.
Okay.
So, of course, South Africa, no, we didn't really see a conform area. And to the Muya said, the municipal building, no, that's the message, no, the power of our law.
Okay.
No, chance here, no. And to confirm with you, we will through a charge here or Tomo be of the answer. And so we in a sala, and it's one mark, when Phobia and having sort of Phobia.
Okay.
When I'm criminal, and then with Gramia, we do another thing, but that's me, no, be on the back. First, we will not make a the best Gramia, which made the best, but to do the state with the map. That's how bad that became left football. Who come and go in the car and then go in the yard. You be on the media to announce what you are to
I just want oh, the best that we have money cleaning say, this is what this is crowd, not say, good to another piano. The medical talk, and sometimes we need your sister. I think I would have grammar.
Okay.
Let me up with any country. So I say you're going to your friends here on my church to be one and
yo.
But she had me near the junction.
Yo. And it be. Yo, Miss Vida Assembly.
I'm some of our Canadian Ukraine. Now, are we disciplined enough? Me say, you baby or Tonka. You any baby or Tom, the Kunomini at the day, a war, a quine. Near my watona, a young runner who could be a nurse and carry. We are running in our cushion because
that in Mukra.
We got, maybe I could just 20. You betcha.
That does be the point. Aside that, Miankasa, me who does be war, a not condition. Does be this war, Enyema, and so net in Regu. That maybe. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
But you didn't be free.
Your friend is Major General.
Yo, Major General Kama,
okay, send me a Ghana if you need send me a near money there, and you're fine. But let's say me boy about so now we know. I like the initiative, and we all throw our support for you.
Mati, Major General.
The chair was pinned to
yo, Mati, Betty, yo. That's me, Major General. I'm saying we go for fitema. I'm saying me old paddy. My best friend, senior high school in our friend room. Major, me that's me, yo. Now, who make it?
Watch it as well. I can't see me. One day na Kumasi, it's trotro. Must Kumasi, you see trotro no more. Na it's ma it's Metnan Ahmachin from Oshim to Bantama. Na sister, but we see him. Na who's a mate in a politics, Misa. No, the son. No, sister. No, near was over there. Na meetings. You'll be able to name the politicians out when you move away. Oh, Jessica. I'm making this one to say, oh, the
Henry, it may instance does be Nisiwo. Sebi Meseka. How I am disciplined. It was a does be no crying, and so was a does be in channel. In run as I should go. What we share is after that, she wanted to know she the Klingon ambassador show. Friday be 7 to 8 yeah the bro she say person say yam ban plastic and am yam ban ye ban so a kwan ben and e be si e be fa ade na e de plastic ye no e dem biom na e de be ye tumi hu say si a toothbrush ye tumi de bamboo e de ye ye rubber say si a wo more no crap paper bag no e ye more woko some boutique bi na dia paper bag na no mo de ma in a way say ye be shift if you rubber no ama rubber no so ususu yin say ye ja rubber no so e be ha ebinum na say ha ebinum utumi frɛ na yɛ twetwe nkɔmɔ utumi send message so na yɛ twetwe nkɔmɔ e was 0543 291074 your messages ni be wa me person me ready we also from Barnabas Akimoda or say I'm here to see what other things can do that plastic cannot do. Mini Barnabas say the be share say mini Henry ebubo obi suma e me ye hu nti say e kwan bi so na bi wo sa we see from Nico or say do you want to collapse the plastic business? Nico yen collapse no ye person ye on my Ghana ka be hwe say na wo person e bia wo person ko Dubai ko di holiday wo person ko Switzerland o person ko baby ko di holiday no ye person bi so kese mo person ba Ghana efe nti on person ba say messages no message so actual so me boachi me ba o so e ba ne say plastic no ya ban there if you walk crack enye no bi ti say the okay say omo de plastic ni bi eye ti say roofing sheet ya na wububu enu no ekwa ba so betumi akoso wo say dwan so ebi ni no mini ukra mesa so ni omo ye anka omo nurse ekutu omo nurse koko aya plastic menim so wehu bi da bo say plastic no enti wo hwa wokɔ nkrobi a yɛwɔ boys bi ɔmo nenam ɔmo hwehwɛ nsu rubber a ɔmo tɔn nti ɛkwan bi so sɛ bande a saa akɔfo na ɛbɛ hɔ na sɛ ɛnha ɔmo
yo and that's it CEO of Public Sector Reform, Dr. Kusibuaf. Nansen awane nanane mpanimfo bi ko Rwanda. Na oba na o ma report actually akan journalist for na o kasa ni nkasa yimu or the issue way about the ban of plastic or Rwanda. No kan ho say Rwanda omu use plastic. Now edru mre bi a say ye kasa ye de esun batu bibi so a ya na oman ni ase ye kukuru no ho ase entino sabio Rwanda for ya omo abane omo de esun ato rubber use no omo ni di ana sabi ta frache me se mi bisa eso omo ni di every time ya na ye nim se eye menko a me use we ne ye be man we ne e be ndai but ade ne ye hwe the larger society the ekum omamunu na nya wo nko a ana ankran ni paku kakra bi but ye hwe ultimate good mum ethics for mu be ultimate good they help the larger society but not the individual nti ye hwe a ewom ampa emanfo bi sa ho be kire but then to me so nkoba say there will not be an ultimate alternative akwan foforo bi a emma omuntimi nese koko enema ahodo aka no the any aboache kan paper sacks ahodo yi ekwan be so na yebe fa yebe tumi de eno nso anese koko enema ahodo se enye rubber no a ekwan foforo be so eno nti na yenua aboache o kan ubisa no o ma issue bi say emprempre de ebe de man na emum se ye hwe akwan ahodo a yebetumi afa so de yede rubber ye no de biem yebetumi ndi aye a ebetumi abesi rubber na nemu ebedi sa adwuma no a na emum enye rubber em say mum na wose ye hwehwe dan say yebe concentrate Ghana se be dru bre bia na ase ya adwen na ye de say we no a eno na me ye enti ne say de o ye no onya ho didi ne say obi ebi kura no emfa no because eno na wono onya yiwom ye emfa bibi men diabetic to ebi ye nko ebi a magazines ahodo ene omo preachy obi begina ka mu preachy a obi hu say noise pollution but one way akoka e be ka say wona ye befu a won penyame asem but is it good on say just recently na I can say omo de ba say ye mbane noise pollution adoso wo Ghana enti also abono ka say muslimi for no omo ahomache efre no omo hwe kwan azi omo nya phone calls it was funny but I can say information minister or man ni say ni say wo ho about it also one way Muslim but I think ojidi say bra muslimi esono ba ye Muhammad Mreson na nye hons no mo de frefre han ndi ye wo innovative ways a ebetuna nemu me concern ni say ekwan ben na omamu na ye benefit ya pomuden ebekoyie ampa mimi ano kan say eyesa ne man nyina na obia ebimu edididi nanso say ye nya bibia sia na mu a de ebeye ya nso ne say ye bane rubber omom ye rubber works na the plastic works no ekwan ben ye be fa so ye be mu nso any their living enko ba say ye si omo dwuma kora se sa e ma we ya ma abri bia na be ye din say obeka say wo bane because o hwe the society now say most people have come to rely on plastic use and it's all banana all replacing with what and na professor
akan chassis free baby me am go see baby
okay
then chassis the more problematic ones no there and want to sound so na dot so pa no ne entaka on nkakra na me ogidi say ye chassis na ye free ba ko akɔwie baby omo produce no so be hu say ne demand from into so be hwe no ma shift akọ baby a chances of survival ewo ye ne sa oman mu be fe ye be any a lot ewo ye tourism industry no ye to so mi nu so sense ya to na gatasi choku ma ne yire fa ye no so no e babo modern ana ye yetimi a prevent sa ne ma no do na ti kakaka malaria ankasa so kra malaria most of the breeding areas of mosquitoes na na plastic waste no e mo na nsuo kwota time mosquitoes ni breeding malaria ankasa no kra no so beti cancer no ne ade a plastics course no
so better say me ba mo so ne kra de mo person mo kache etifo na hwefo ba me person me read messages ni bi message we also from Addison Kaswa or say plastic ban will be good for Ghana. Addison edase bebre we say from Baron UCC, so nice you keep it up Baron edase bebre we from Angela Takrade or say plastic ejuma wo banda na abe ejuma na yebeye yo yati embo de kasa bi so do aba ya de mutuma aka wala me was me yen yembeledi yo yati anji yati the messages ti kokra ebi mabodu what you have to know your viewers and the opposite ka tibia na mako so
okay me pese Ghana man nyina obi biara ohwe ote ase se ewom ewiase entina ho nyete se de tie ya efiri abi na abedru de tie enti se emre kwa animu no adane enso eba enti se ye hwe na niema bi a ampa kane no ye hu ye ne ye yesu eboa ye nanso se no esanse ye ntimi ankura mu ye enti no edi enya no se ye ka se ewo se ye yense san ye bi wo ye fiefie mu ekwan ebetimi afa so a ye beti rubber plastic use eso ye nua boache aka ekwan ahodo bebre se we na wo use a hwe se wo betimi use no sei wokoto ade a ma wo de wo na ngaza fakọ na koto ensa ngofa foforo me pale no fie ense efie ene ye ensa ase na se no ye ensa ase ahodo ye nsuo a ene ye ngate sa e wo se nsuo fefem nyina ne ye de rubber se sisi no nemum ekwan a ye be fa so a ye be hwe na ya bo ho ban ne se e wo se ankran bia hu se eye onu ankasa na ya ma no ho nemum onye ma obi a wote baabi nti se wo hu se mimi hu se me ya ma no ho e be boa me akwan hodo bebre so wo so hu se wo ye ama ho na ye nyina ye ka bomu a se group no bi mpo na ye ka se ye ba ne se ma ye nsu wo baabi ma ye hu se e ade o ma no ye si ye ndwuma ne ye ne ma hodo ho kwan nemum e ade e boa ye ni ankasa ebio aman penimfo anase government se emra mpo yebeka se ye free atrapoya hodo ye rubber no se ye started with this stage ye ma ye de edi enya pa no ye mba ne no na we mu enema ebi mu de ye nyusu a ye nhwe se omu asabra na omu di hu dwuma eno na emma omu nsa ko omo no enya de eye omu kodi ade bi e beku won ye nhwe se ye bani a you better replace it with something and so they get equal living. Okay. Abra enkoye sun bi abeda omo so a ebeku oman na emum the airboy onya bibi abo na pomode no wa still answer that so enya ne sika kakra odi ne nsakona.
That's so good. Akunta am say kwakra
ne kwakra me da Ocean 1 TV ase wo Clean Ghana ambassadors Jumedia omodi no and say and I'm saying Jumedi so nti problems we are resolved a save mabusia a save Ghana ni bia mechia mabusia for omoma we University of Ghana University of Education whenever mampon campus asam problems esi omho so biem ya momo shedding na yenim say and check bibia betoto yi mesre se efie biem wo ahwohwe me anyi bia sachet water we use some ya mbande na de rubber na bag na ya na sachet water na nkasa wo mu no wo bepe ba akwasi wa na bag bia na onum wi a wabobo ne kama bobo food ya me ya sama mfa bia man ka be kire on se de si food na eyema ye wonkofo a omo befa omo tompo but se wan ton wa mani pa ko na de mana mo abro bi obetwam oduro na metam de mana otimi hira me bed ho na mze ni hira menya no da nyina no so efisa afọ eboso nko a me ye no ye momode ani ni ye environment no eni na oman no yankopon ebode ma yense ye nhweso wan ka be bia da se yense no se ye se no a obesen ye that's
Chiama obi
me chiama do for Juliet Ohime Apia me 7 months old boy Esteban was watching at Donafeno Minkan Junior MJ which are also for the University of University of Education Office of Parliament for Tema West constituency near Sokwa constituency for all students of Kumasi Anglican Senior High School so
yo me abo
so mechia na busia for ma ofo me mama and me papa Mr. and Mrs. Menu the brother me mama do na friend aso member UC since my fellow students my colleagues my chair
okay
and then what can say
the master student and our mom when you undergrad
master students undergrad especially senators Gaza senators my chair president Pilato ni guys my chair me name for akuyaji wa can say yeah part and home market
your taxi driver no money do
Shalom taxi driver for Shalom me ask me ciao and then you go money baby the Clean Ghana Ambassador show Oshiwan TV do fide ni bibia 7 kosi 8 at the bro it show of promo from Ghana here from Ghana ya meji dan the siso suban na mesi suban se Ghana be ya no ya me se Ghana be ya no ya me no ya se Ghana be ya no ya me the was be same time Friday e besa social ya me show be bye bye.
Assassini, airport in my eye, Mojana, Nana, Shegu, Nade to my eye. Edomene was so, say a pay, a piatwaso, Nindian twasso, go to Crania, Pessamin coming out, Eddie, and Bremo, the Mamaya, Sassy, what to say. Oh, my no, oh, my no. Yes, and I said, I'm a full private jet. Oh, my no. Yes, and I said,
yeah, we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana Tiny.